students. Today we will discuss a case study actually. So imagine I'm making this chair, fabricating this chair. Imagine this round structure. So top of the chair is a round structure like this. It's actually a revolving chair. So I'm sitting on the chair, or you're sitting on the chair, you're leaning backward. What happens? You will fall down because there is no guardrail in it. If it's a round structure like this, you will fall down because there is no guardrail. Prevent this, they have attached a guardrail like this. So how to attach this guardrail to this chair actually? Welding. Yes, very good. We can do welding. So what is welding actually?
Welding is a fabrication software. It is used to fix normally fix the any two metals or thermoplastics.
Okay.
It can be done by shielding using electricity or by pillar or without.
Okay. So actually what Mirajan said is welding is actually joining materials together, particularly metals. You can join two metals together with the help of heat. So it can be done as you said by using electricity or some gas. So if you do with the electricity, it is called as arc welding. To do it with gas, it may be called as arc welding. So there are different types of welding. So what are different types of welding available? What welding can we choose for this?
Different types of welding available in this method: arc welding, gas welding, and resistance welding. Resistance welding is nothing but you use to weld a pressure and a high electricity. Used materials are steel, copper, iron, nickel, and aluminum are used in this welding method.
So different types of welding is available. As I said, arc welding, gas welding, and resistance welding is available. So we can weld predominantly commonly used materials. What are the commonly metals which are welded?
Irons and steel.
Iron, steel, and you said copper. Copper welding is actually called as brazing. It's a different type, but it's a welding. So iron and steel we will be doing common welding. So what welding can we choose for this?
Iron, gas welding.
Very good. We can use gas welding as well as arc welding. So arc welding is used for welding steel. For steel, we can use arc welding because the temperature will be high. So steel has higher melting point compared to materials, steel and aluminum, which will be having higher melting point. Steel. So we can use arc welding for welding this process. So we have fixed what is welding. What type of welding we can use? Predominantly, we can use arc welding for this. So I have welded the two pieces together. So there are some cracks in the welded part. So what is that? Oh, it's actually called as welding defect. Why it is caused?
Because it is the welding defect nothing but it's the problem of mistake that happened during the welding process. It makes a joint weak.
Okay. So when we do some mistake during the welding process, welding defects will occur.
It makes the joint weak.
Very good. So it will make the welding joint weaker because it has some defects. So what are the different types of welding defects available?
There are many types of welding defects like porosity, underlap, overlap. Firstly, porosity. Porosity plays a major role in welding defect, which may looks like a small hole or cavity in the welding part, which is caused by the trapped gas inside the welding, and it may cause moisturizing, contamination, some cavities inside welding. So actually underfilling. Underfilling is one of the most common type in welding defect. In this defect, the welded part is placed below the parent welding. In simple words, the metals are looks like a dipped one or in unshaped. It may cause unshape to the welding part. That's it.
Okay, so you said two welding process actually, welding defects. One is porosity. Porosity is due to some trapped gases or incomplete welding. And the next thing you said is underfitting. Underfitting actually causes because of placing one material below one above or below. That's very good. So any other type of welding defects?
When we come to defects of the welding, the major one we can see is crack.
Okay.
This is happen nothing but when the welded material is overflow over the base metal, which leads to overlap. So this is caused due to slow welding process. And the other one we can say is crack. overlap is nothing but the motor materials overlap over the other material, which leads to defect.
So what you both said is very good, correct actually. So welding defects occur when we are not planning the welding properly. So if we are doing it very slow or we are using low electricity, welding defects may occur. To prevent welding defects, you have to do proper welding procedures. You have to use proper electrode, correct welding speed. By this, you can eliminate this welding defects. So once welding defects are eliminated, you will get a proper welding and a chair which is usable for a lifetime. So I hope you understood this case. See you in the next one. Thank you.
Thanks.